You know that feeling, right? Your heart beating in your chest. But have you ever really, truly stopped to think about what's going on? It's not just a muscle squeezing. It's this incredible marvel of biological electricity, a perfectly timed symphony happening inside you this very second. So let's dive in and follow this amazing electrical journey. Okay, check out this number, 100,000. That's about how many times your heart beats every single day. It's just relentless, you know? It does all that work without you ever having to think about it. Just an astonishing amount of work day in and day out. So that leads to the big question, right? What is it that powers every single one of those 100,000 beats? What's the command? Well, the answer isn't what you might think. It's not mechanical, it's electrical. Every single heartbeat has to start somewhere. There's an origin point, a place where that electrical command begins. So let's go find that initial spark of life. And here it is, the sinoatrial node, or just the SA node for short. This tiny, tiny cluster of special cells is your heart's own natural pacemaker. Seriously, you can think of it like the conductor of an orchestra, tapping the baton and giving the downbeat that starts the rhythm for the entire system. Now, that initial spark doesn't just stay put. Oh no, it kicks off this beautifully coordinated electrical dance, following a super precise pathway with every single beat. And here's that dance in action. First, boom, the SA node fires. That signal just zips across the upper chambers, the atria, making them contract and push blood down. And then something really clever happens. There's this tiny critical pause, all thanks to another part called the AV node. Now this isn't a mistake, it's actually a brilliant piece of design. That split-second delay gives the big, powerful lower chambers, the ventricles, just enough time to completely fill up with blood. Without that pause, the pump would be pretty weak. With it, the heart can give a much more powerful, effective push to your entire body. All right, so we've got this elegant electrical signal zipping around, but how does an invisible impulse create such a powerful physical result? How do we get from a signal to a squeeze? Let's connect those dots. Just picture it for a second. Imagine that electrical impulse as a wave of pure information. It's a command that just flows seamlessly from one heart muscle cell to the next. It's kind of like a ripple in a pond, covering the entire organ in just a fraction of a second. It is communication at its most basic and most beautiful level. And here's the magic trick. That electrical command is the trigger. As that wave of electricity washes over the muscle cells, it forces them to contract all at once. And that big synchronized squeeze, well, that is the heartbeat. It's the direct physical result of that tiny little electrical spark we started with. Okay, so spark, signal, squeeze, we get it. But what's the point of it all? Why does any of this matter? Let's zoom out now and look at the absolutely life-sustaining purpose behind every single one of these pulses. Each one of those electrically driven contractions has one vital purpose: to pump blood. And not just around your chest, but everywhere. To every single organ, every tissue, and every cell in your entire body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Honestly, you can think of it as the body's ultimate delivery service. It is working 24/7. With every single beat, the blood delivers the good stuff, life-sustaining oxygen and all the essential nutrients you need. But at the exact same time, it's also the cleanup crew, hauling away waste products like carbon dioxide. This constant, two-way, vital exchange is what keeps every single part of you alive and running. So when you really put it all together, it's nothing short of remarkable, is it? A tiny electrical spark kicks off a coordinated cascade, which creates a powerful squeeze, which drives a life-sustaining exchange, and this whole process repeats itself about once every second. The rhythm of the body truly is the rhythm of life itself. So, the next time you feel your own pulse, just take a second. Remember this incredible electrical journey that's happening inside you. It's a constant, perfectly timed dance that sustains you every moment of every day. And that kind of leaves us with a final thought, doesn't it? The most vital rhythm is the one you carry within you. So what does it really mean to be full of life?